I don't like this.
It smells like you.
All right, so guess who's back? Back again. Jim is back.
Safety squints, engage.
I was able to check out the car, and there's no oil in this.
So you really wanted to void the warranty?
Yes, we're all about voiding the warranty. So Jim's back, and we are taking the turbo kit off of the car. He is at a point in his life where he just needs a good, reliable daily driver, and he keeps having issues with gaskets blowing out. So we're going to pull the turbo kit off for him, put a stock exhaust manifold back on it, put the stock injectors back in it, and maybe down the road we'll turbo this thing back again. So let's get going. All right, got you all set up on the camera here. We're gonna pull the injectors out, pull the front bumper off, pull the intercooler off, pull the charge piping off, get everything swapped out here, and yeah, let's get going.
Stuff's actually connected?
Just twist them off.
For the most part, what it sees how long. Is that 11 or 12 on the charge pad? Or I mean, 10 or 11?
I have a 10 and a
10s.
12.
10s.
There's 10 on the gun right now.
Perfect.
10s. Looks like all the intercooler clamps are 10s.
Intercooler.
Intercooler.
A few moments later.
How are we already missing a nut?
Which one?
The other stovetop nut on this side is gone. On the thing, right?
Literally?
Yeah.
I just put one on there the other day when it was here. I swear to God, I put one on there and tightened it, like tightened the hell out of it, because it was missing the last time the car was here. Something funky's going on in that corner. And I even grabbed an actual exhaust manifold nut out of the bin.
I tightened the little Jesus out of it when we put this all back on. Well, I'm gonna take a squat here because I'm gonna be here for an hour.
What are you doing over there?
Taking the air cooler off.
Oh. Is it that bad? Oh dear God. Okay. Never mind. Forget I asked.
The only thing that seems slightly skooky about this whole kit was this intercooler.
It's the same one I had on my hatchback. Basically, mine was a Mishimoto that was like the same size, and we ended up backdooring it to make it look and fit better. And then we painted it black. Need one more of those 10 nuts.
These are all pretty much broken, loose, and ready to go. We just need to get this up in the air now.
Shoot the dipstick out.
Yep, dipstick's already out.
Yeah. Take this off if you can. It might be easier with the 17 was what I used to put it on, the actual nut.
Oh, you want to? Oh, I was thinking about just pulling the hole.
You could pull the flange if it's easier.
Maybe they strip the hell out.
I don't think it really matters. The line has to come off the back of the block too, so we got to get it up to get down there. And
Yep.
Has Chris got your thing yet?
thing.
The ECU?
Oh yes, it arrived today. And I also I bought a really expensive wideband today.
Oh.
How expensive?
Did you need to buy an expensive one, or that was your choice?
Well, the truth be told, none of them are cheap. When you're done dicking around with that, I think I might need you to pick up that oil line that's already disconnected and start twirling it.
Twirling it? Oh, okay, I get what you're saying.
Because it's loose back here, but the line is fighting me.
Well,
This
try-
one? This?
Yes.
Twirl it what way?
The loose in the other direction.
It doesn't turn.
Okay. Well, might be back on me at that point.
That worked, whatever you did.
Yeah, I can only do like quarter turns at a time because, alternator, oil filter, all of the things.
I mean, you could just take the whole engine back out again. I mean,
That's
That
what
might be easier.
That's what I'm doing currently. Quarter turns at a time.
Anyway, so I was asking Chris, wideband recommendations, because I was thinking, like, AEM Uego or Innovate Motorsports makes a pretty good wideband.
that's what Kyle runs on his car.
He said to look at the Bollinger Motorsports one. It's really accurate, and whatever. It was a recommendation from the tuner, so I kind of took it to heart.
Just bought it and put it
that.
in. Exactly. That's what you do.
He's like, or I can send you one as a loaner just so we can tune. And I was like, oh, that's not that big of a deal, man. Like a couple $100, I'll just buy one.
And it'll probably be good for you to have for stats and all that.
Yeah, I was like, I'd rather know what's going on than know that it's okay for the moment and then send it back to you. Oh my goodness, this is taking forever.
It's just coming right back though.
Yeah, I can only get quarter turns at a time, and sometimes it turns itself right back. So.
I'm going to pull this.
Okay, we're getting somewhere, Jesse.
I'll say sooner or later it'll actually become loose and start turning.
Sorry, car. I keep hitting you.
Well, I guess I'm not pulling that.
Oh.
There it goes.
In unison. Unison.
Oh,
There we
it's
go.
out.
Okay.
Okay. I was gonna put this in.
What is it? 4:30?
Yeah.
We started this, what? 3?
I don't know. 3:30, 3:45.
Yeah.
Let me get this in first, since it's got silicone on it. Silicon.
Silicon carne? Is the exhaust all detached?
Yes.
Alright, cool.
Okay, you should be able to pull that forward.
Yeah, it's already fallen off. It's already fallen off. But I can do all sorts of things.
Hang on 1 second. Go up if you could. Oh, you're off. Okay. Hang on. Get out of the way. I took it out of the bottom last time, so we can.
Send it back down.
Yeah, we gotta. It has a weird
Contra code?
contra code to get it out because
well,
it hits the everything.
Right
so
now it's currently stuck.
I can't remember which.
Hold on. Let's see if I can
I
just-
think the pipe, this pipe needs to swing toward the driver's side if I remember correctly.
Okay, well, you're currently
You
stuck.
might have to go up here.
Hold on, there we go. Okay, it's hot. We're stuck here now. It looks
Yeah.
here.
Let me go there. See the thing.
You want the ride? No. You went that way, sir. Tell me to go one way. It's alright.
You're pull on the subframe.
Can't pull back.
Or not the subframe, the front thing.
Yeah, it's fine.
Radiator support,
Yeah.
trinket arrow.
Yeah, we can't pull that back out.
It comes out.
Can you
I've
pull
had
it
it out.
forward?
I've had it out this way before, so.
Is it?
Go
Can you go this way some? Okay, towards me. Down, yeah. Sir, I remember just popping this in and out last time.
Yeah, it came out pretty easy last time. It doesn't help that it's on fire. And I'm pretty sure this tube is cracked. I can feel it in my hand as I'm,
Might be.
I feel it pinching my hand as I'm trying to fight with it.
Okay, there we go.
He's out.
Yeah, you make sure.
All right, Jesse.
Yes. got no boost. Get it? No boost.
No boost.
Okay, got Jim's car all back together. Got the turbo manifold off, the injector swapped out, got an intake put back on it. Should be nice and reliable. Change the tune for him real quick. Other than that, this thing is all back together.